Hi, I'm Laura from Screencastify. As a former teacher, I know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be to have my students create and send me their videos. We've been working on something that makes this whole process way easier. Screencastify Submit works in just 3 steps. First, teachers create a magic recording link. Then, they share that link with students. Students use the link to record videos that are automatically turned in. So how does this actually work? Teachers make an assignment, give it a title and instructions, and select the type of recording students can make. And ta-da! Now you have a link for your students. Share it in Google Classroom or any LMS that you use. Once students have the link, it's so easy for them. They'll use their Google account and don't need a Screencastify account or any extension. Students can click on the link and immediately begin recording. Once they're done recording, the video automatically uploads to your Google Drive, and you can just watch the videos roll in. That's it! We're launching Screencastify in beta and would love your feedback. Screencastify Submit, the easiest way for your students to make videos.